Hi there, and welcome to our Healthy Recipe Showcase. Today, we're diving into 5 delicious and nutritious recipes from around the world. We'll take you through the steps to create a fresh Greek salad, zesty caprese salad, vibrant stir-fried vegetables with tofu, savory grilled salmon with quinoa, and a comforting vegetable and bean soup. Each dish is packed with wholesome ingredients that are as good for your body as they are for your taste buds. So let's get started on our journey to healthier eating. First up, we have the refreshing Greek salad. Gather your ingredients: tomatoes, cucumbers, red onion, bell peppers, Kalamata olives, feta cheese, olive oil, lemon juice, oregano, salt, and pepper. Begin by chopping the vegetables into bite-sized pieces. Combine them in a large bowl, adding the olives and crumbled feta cheese. Drizzle with olive oil and lemon juice, then sprinkle with oregano, salt, and pepper. Gently toss everything together to coat evenly. Serve the salad chilled for a delightful, healthy meal that brings a taste of the Mediterranean to your table. Now let's move on to another classic, the caprese salad. Next, let's make a classic caprese salad. You'll need fresh mozzarella cheese, ripe tomatoes, fresh basil leaves, extra virgin olive oil, balsamic vinegar, salt, and pepper. Start by layering slices of fresh mozzarella and ripe tomatoes on a plate, topping it off with fragrant basil leaves. Drizzle with extra virgin olive oil and a splash of balsamic vinegar. Finally, season with salt and freshly ground pepper. This simple yet delicious recipe is excellent for any occasion. Now let's move on to stir-fried vegetables with tofu. You'll need an assortment of vegetables like bell peppers, broccoli, carrots, and snap peas, along with tofu, soy sauce, garlic, ginger, and sesame oil. Start by stir-frying the tofu until golden brown. Then add the vegetables, garlic, and ginger, cooking until tender crisp. Toss everything together with soy sauce and a dash of sesame oil for a flavorful and healthy dish. Next, we'll show you how to prepare grilled salmon with quinoa and steamed vegetables. You'll need salmon fillets, quinoa, mixed veggies like broccoli, carrots, and green beans, olive oil, lemon, salt, and pepper. Grill or bake the salmon with a squeeze of lemon juice, cook the quinoa, and steam the vegetables. Serve them together with a drizzle of olive oil for a nutritious and balanced meal. Finally, we'll create a hearty vegetable and bean soup, perfect for any weeknight dinner. Now let's prepare a hearty vegetable and bean soup, perfect for a comforting meal. You'll need veggies like carrots, celery, onions, and zucchini. For the beans, use either cannellini or chickpeas, plus vegetable broth, garlic, thyme, parsley, and olive oil. Start by sautéing the garlic and veggies in olive oil until they soften. Add the vegetable broth, beans, and herbs, then let it simmer until the vegetables are tender. Finally, season to taste, and you've got a warm, nourishing bowl of soup ready to enjoy. To wrap up, here's our final segment. Thank you for joining us on this culinary journey. We hope you enjoyed making and savoring these healthy recipes. Remember, the joy of cooking comes with sharing, so don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more delicious and nutritious recipes. Happy cooking!